You played ball, what position?
I was like a point guard, shooting guard.
Control the floor.
Yeah, on angles.
Exactly. And then how long did you play basketball?
I've been playing ball for well, I've always been active and shit. I've been playing sports my whole life.
Okay.
But basketball was only like when I got into high school.
Okay.
Nah. Like from middle school, like junior high school, to like my second year of high school.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
And you were pretty good, but you said health problems made you quit?
Yeah, I got a heart murmur and shit, unfortunately, but
damn.
Fuck it. Making more money, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, absolutely.